Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Dolphin Emulator for PC. But before that, if you don't know what is Dolphin Emulator, it is a free and open source software that allows users to play Nintendo GameCube, Y, and games on various platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even Android, in which it is known for its high compatibility and enhanced features. And now to start downloading it, you can simply first open your browser and kindly search on Google, for example, Dolphin Emulator. By searching on it, you should be able to see here all of the result. So kindly click the first link that come up, which is this one in here. Or you could also go to other platform to download the Dolphin Emulator. But by clicking here dolphin.emu.org, it will show you in here how you can start downloading, and it will show you the compatibility of the devices. And by clicking this download button right here, you will be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you a variety of version that you can download in here by this Dolphin emulator. So I'm going to simply download in here the latest version. However, make sure to have 64-bit Visual C++ in order to start installing this file of Dolphin emulator. And now to proceed, I'm going to click this window x64 in order to download in our Windows. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed, or it will show you that it is now currently being downloaded on the top right corner, as you can see in this icon. Now, after successfully downloading it, you should be able to see the file or the zip file of it to your download files on your computer files. So now as you can see, we're currently in here, so you can simply see here the downloaded Dolphin emulator zip file. So kindly right click on it and click the extract file button to proceed. And once done, it will show you in here this folder of the extracted file. All you need to do is simply click on it and it will show you this different kind of file type, but just click this one, which is this application with this Dolphin text on it. So now as you can see, that is just basically how you can download Dolphin emulator for PC.